Do you smoke anything, Prophet? This is the Prophet of Daisy Hill. You can easily spot him, guys, because he's always looking into space like, he's always on his own. He's always looking like he's seeing visions and getting prophecies. I'm sure his prophecies come true. He knows I'm gonna feed him, so that prophecies come true. Can you see anything? Anything in the future? Prophet. It's the Prophet. Hello to everyone, Prophet. And he's actually larger than most of the cockatoos, guys. Very, very tall guy. Huge, guys. Huge guy.